It's my first time back in Phnom Penh, Cambodia in over 2 years, and in this video we're going to discover if it's still a destination you should come to as a digital nomad in 2026. Let's get it! Hey guys, JB here from Nomad Life, where this channel is designed to provide a strategic blueprint for online entrepreneurs on where to live, grow, and optimize their setup to support their dream lifestyle. Now I'm here in the capital of Cambodia, Phnom Penh, and I'm actually pumped about this. First time back in a couple years, and in this video we're going to explore what's changed in the past 2 years, from cafes, restaurants, gyms, areas I like to live in. Now, right off the bat, we'll be heading to one of my favorite cafes called Wild, because I gotta get some work done for my Dubai business. And then after that, give you guys a little apartment tour on where I'm staying. Then I gotta find a gym because I haven't really been going to the gym, so gotta get the health dialed in. Gotta grind hard for the next couple months that I'm here in Cambodia with work, gym, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's get going. Just got out of the cafe and walking back to my apartment. It's about a 5-minute walk to my apartment in BKK1. But yeah, beautiful cafe, good food. It's like in an old Khmer house, so it's gorgeous actually, and they turned it into a cafe. All right, just came up to my apartment building, and we're gonna do a little room tour of my BKK1 apartment. All right, just coming into my apartment right now. Right off the bat, you can see a massive L-shaped couch with a smart TV. Now, this apartment I'm renting for $800 a month plus $100 in utility, so that includes AC and water. Now coming out to my massive balcony, and you have a great view of BKK1, downtown view, beautiful. Now over here you actually even have a lounger, so I can sit out there, get some nice rays in. Back into the apartment now, and over here you can see my kitchen. It's a little small, but it works well. All German appliances. The little desk over here is in kind of an awkward spot, but I actually like it because I'll work from there and then watch TV, like YouTube and stuff in the background. Now over to the washroom. Beautiful, clean, modern. Shower pressure is amazing with the rain shower. And then the bedroom, which is massive. Got a lot of room, and my favorite part is they got a built-in desk here. And actually, I still have my monitor in Cambodia from 2 years ago when I lived here, and my friend Karina was looking after it. So actually pumped to have the monitor back, and makes it really easy to edit on such a large screen. And we'll just go back out to the balcony. Once again, the view of BKK1 and the big washing machine right there. Now this is a full service apartment, so there's actually cleaning twice a week, including once a week where they'll change the bed sheets, and also included is internet, the TV, all the furniture, cutlery, etc. So yeah, now we're just gonna go up to the rooftop. All right, we're just up here on my rooftop. Beautiful views, especially of sunset. Great place to actually come work, as there's a little bar up here that you can work from. It's really nice to come up here, especially this time of year where the air's a little cooler. Now let's talk about BKK1 and why, as a nomad in Phnom Penh, I prefer to stay in this area, especially if you're staying a month or 2 months or even a year. Now most tourists will stay over by Riverside, which is actually about a 15-minute walk away from here, or just a quick tuk-tuk away. But Riverside is definitely a more touristy area, very busy, a little dirtier, older part of town, whereas BKK1 is like a higher standard area. There's tons of great cafes around here. I actually forgot how good the cafes are in Phnom Penh, especially working as a nomad from there. And tons of good restaurants, all walking distance in this whole area. Also 5 minutes away is Basic Lane, which is a great nightlife area, a little higher end as well. Cool cocktail, hole-in-the-wall bars to a great sports bar in Captain, also really good eating places. And also it's a 15-minute walk away from the Russian market, where if you need cheap stuff, local stuff, etc., that is your place to go. So really BKK1 for a nomad is the perfect place to be. It's in the heart of Phnom Penh, and it's a place I love to stay. All right, let's just go downstairs and check out the pool and gym in this building. The pool, like you just saw, is really big. You can actually do proper laps in it. The only downside for me is it's mostly covered, so you don't get much of the direct sun. Or as for the gym, it's a solid apartment gym. It's perfect for a quick workout when I'm working from home all day, but if you're looking for a bigger setup like a squat rack or heavier equipment, you'll definitely want to hit up a gym outside, which we're going to go to later on in the video. All right, just woke up this morning and decided I'm going to do about a 10-minute walk to this cafe called Backyard. Now, when I used to live here, Backyard Cafe used to be one of my favorite cafes to go to, but they had 3 smaller locations all around Phnom Penh. And apparently they closed all 3 smaller locations and created one bigger location. So I'm excited to check it out, see if it's still the same, because it used to be one of my favorite places to go to. Hopefully the menu is the same, which I'm excited to see. Just coming around the corner to the cafe, and oh wow, that is big. Wow, check it out. I'm happy to report that the menu has not changed whatsoever, which is amazing. So I got a power bowl, comes with chicken, guac, tomato, cheddar, brown rice, lettuce, super healthy. And then over here is a tropical bowl, so it comes with banana, pineapple, granola, etc. So yeah, let's give it a try. Oh, that's so good. That is so good. I'm so happy the menu hasn't changed. All right, just finished crushing a workout at my gym, and my gym's called Elite Fitness. Now, good part about this gym, under one membership, they have 15 locations around Phnom Penh, with 3 of the locations being within 5 to 15-minute walking distance from my apartment in BKK1. And with one membership, you can go to any one of these gyms. Now, for 1 month, it costs $35. However, if you sign up for a year, it's only $175, or roughly about $14.50 for the year. Now, this is my favorite gym, which is about 15 minutes away, but it has the best squat racks, the best bench press, the best free weights, and tons of open space, etc. Now, the best part about this gym is they also have a protein shake area where you can get a protein shake, and right here I got banana avocado with whey protein, and it only costs $2.75. So awesome deal, and they fill it right up to the top, which is pretty sick, and yeah, love it. All right, I'm just here over at Riverside in Phnom Penh, about 15-minute walk from BKK1, and they have this new walking street, which is apparently one of the largest in the world, if not the largest even in Asia. So I'm gonna go check it out. It's only open on weekends, and apparently there's a lot of food around here, so gonna check it out. All right, I'm going over here, just gonna get some sugarcane juice. Wow, I got this absolutely massive sugarcane juice for only $1. Really nice. So back up here on my rooftop for another sunset, and the night market was really good. It was really cool to see. Insanely busy. So not a place I'll be going all the time, but every so often it's really cool, and some good food, inexpensive drinks. So yeah. All right, just to wrap everything up, all in all, is Phnom Penh the place you want to stay and keep on visiting in 2026 as a digital nomad? And for me, my answer is definitely yes. I was completely forgot how great the cafes are here, and they're not busy like Bali. They're relatively empty, so you can get great seats. The internet is fast here. It basically has everything I want to settle down, grind for a few months, and then I can go explore busier, more social areas, etc. Also, the people here, really amazing. So yeah, Phnom Penh, I'm gonna call it actually the secret nomad hidden gem of Southeast Asia, because yeah, it just continued to surprise me, and it's a place where not a lot of nomads know about and go for a longer term, but I think it's an excellent option, and I think I'm actually going to make it my Asia base, because right in the center of Southeast Asia, I can fly directly out of the new airport from here to Vietnam, all the way down to Indonesia. It's a great, affordable place, and great people, great cafes, great internet, and everything I need as a nomad. Anyways, that's it for me. I'm JB from Nomad Life. Please like, subscribe, all the good stuff. I'll be posting videos once a week about Dubai and nomad life in Southeast Asia. Peace out. Later.